Guys, we are gradually moving step by step towards our goal of starting automated trading. But before that moment, we still need to discuss a few important questions. And today's question is, on which asset will we trade, considering there are actually thousands of assets? But we must choose the best one in order to confidently move towards our goal of reaching our million. So, I will choose for trading, not cryptocurrencies. A bit later, I will explain why, for example, not company stocks, not indices, but a currency pair. I will take the British pound against the US dollar. Why the British pound sterling? Do I like it? Because it is one of the most highly liquid currencies, meaning there will be a small spread and there will be minimal delay in order execution. Usually with all brokers for the pound sterling, orders are executed very quickly because high liquidity. Secondly, it is a highly volatile currency pair. It moves very actively, and the more actively it moves, the better for our bot, because with high volatility, there are more trades, and the more trades there are, the more we will earn. Here too, everything is quite logical. Thirdly, the pound sterling moves in an average trend, but with deep frequent pullbacks. And for our trading bot, which we will use for trading, and yes, in general, for many bots, by the way, throughout my trading practice in the financial market, I have noticed that the best, the very best, are robot bots. Expert advisors on the Forex market, they call this software. For some reason, they work best specifically on the British pound, or rather, I know why. Now I will explain to you why exactly. So, because this currency pair, although it moves in a trend, meaning we will have a trend strategy working, it makes frequent deep pullbacks. Therefore, we will also have a counter trend strategy working. And in our trading bot, which we will use, both are used simultaneously, trend and counter trend strategies. That is, the British pound is ideally suited for this bot perfectly well. And in general, regarding the British pound, of course, I can recall such facts that firstly, it is the oldest currency in the world because it has been in continuous use for over 1200 years since the 8th century. Secondly, this currency is considered a luxury currency worldwide. And thirdly, it is one of the most popular reserve currencies in the world. All right, okay, all of this is certainly interesting and good, but let's get back to our main question about trading and our journey towards our first million. And I know that many, yes, probably most of those watching this video are asking why the pound sterling and not cryptocurrency. Currently, cryptocurrencies are considered one of the most popular currencies for trading and investment. But I want to remind you, let's say as of the beginning of 2025, cryptocurrencies are on the rise, meaning they have essentially already reached their midterm, possibly even long-term peak. Yes, of course, after the current President Trump announced that he intends to legalize cryptocurrencies in the United States, I think that crypto will still start to grow more than it will fall. But let's remember previous years when there were also many enthusiastic statements about the cryptocurrency market. It was said to be indispensable and forever, and everything would be great. Yet we experienced a year to a year and a half of crypto winters when cryptocurrency prices dropped to the lowest in recent years. And accordingly, all those who wanted to earn money just sat and waited for the market to finally revive. For the crypto spring and crypto summer to begin, let's call these seasons metaphorically, when these coins would start to grow. But I can't be sure, and no one can be sure about tomorrow regarding the fact that they will grow steadily in the coming years. Accordingly, if we start trading in cryptocurrency now, we might end up in a crypto winter, and we will have to postpone our plan to reach a million for a certain period. So, from the trading perspective, when you trade currency pairs using leverage and use trading bots for this, it doesn't matter to you whether your currency pair, or rather the quotes, are rising or falling. An expert advisor will earn if it's a good algorithm. Yes, it's profitable. It will earn in any market condition, whether the market moves up or down, whether it goes In circles, yes, you sit and it earns. It doesn't matter. And as long as cryptocurrencies remain in crypto winters, in their declines, when all other investors will be worried. During these periods of calm, waiting for the market to revive, our bot will be earning wonderfully during this time, just as it will earn when cryptocurrencies are rising. It will earn continuously without stopping. That is, in those years when cryptocurrencies will sit to, let's say, at plus 50%, in the best case, earning up to 500% in a year, our bot will be earning, let's say, probably the first thing I would like to say, but left it for the end of this lesson, is that essentially it doesn't matter what you trade. You can even trade pies at the market. Yes, the main thing is that it is profitable. If trading pies at the market brought in more than 1,000% profit per year, then probably I would be telling you now how to knead the dough and properly bake these pies in the oven. But trading still remains profitable. And so after weighing all the other options, I understand that for now, Forex, in terms of stability and profitability, it still leads even despite the popularity of the cryptocurrency market. So I repeat, once again, we are trading the British pound sterling. In the next lesson, we will move forward and see you then.